Now we are going to go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the Civivi Blazen. So, two things to talk about. First, there's a drop point version and a Tonto version. They have the same handles. The other big difference is the drop points come in the 14C 20N stainless steel, and the Tontos come in D2.
Woo!
And then all those are G10, and then we have some coarse burlap micartas. You can literally see like the strings in there, obviously with a Damascus blade, and then you can really see that one. And then, oh, that one really should be over here, huh? See, like that. Boom. So, again, like all Civivis on ceramic ball bearings, these things just fly open, either thumb stud or flipper. Absolutely brilliant knives. If you're looking for a Tonto blade that's really durable, I'd say check them out.
Right on, y'all. As usual, we'll wrap it up here for the week. We appreciate you guys joining us. As always, make sure you're commenting, subscribing, liking, everything for our channel to help it grow. We appreciate it. We love it all. We'll wrap it up here. See you next week, guys.